Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. So today we're doing a PS5 HDMI port replacement, but before we do that, we gotta take care of this, man. It's a real problem. So we're gonna do a deep cleaning first, check out the liquid metal, make sure there's no displacement, and then we'll actually do the job. Alright, so there is some mild displacement there on the bottom. It's a little easier to spot on this chip. It's on the bottom right, basically where the light's hitting. Right along there. We'll take care of that for you. Need something to... Your torn pad. Oh, excuse me. Haven't eaten yet this morning. Alright, so unfortunately there is some torn pads, so it'll make this one a little interesting. I count at least 2, unfortunately. I'm hoping that one or both could be ground so I don't have to restore them. There's got quite a few more to do. Yeah, that pad right there is delicate. Probably gonna just do a jump bar. Let's find out. Alright, let's test it out. Alright, we are back in action. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, as well as smash that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for tuning in.